Mwatuka uria ukoretwo ho thirikari-ini ya Jubilee uroneka kwarama uria githurano kinene kirakuhiriria umuthi. Minista wa maundu ma ukinyaniria Joe Mucheru agiukirira munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto. Mucheru ni urotereirie njara Ruto na muno thutha wake kuoneka ta kenereire itua ria kugwa kwa BBI igoti-ini ria gucokia cira riko, akiuga uyu ti mundu uri na matanya mega kuri bururi kuonenwo ni riboti ingirari na uguni munene na muno hari kuongererwo gwa kigina kiria kigayagirwo makaunti.
To thank God the Father that we did not have money to the counties cannot possibly be correct. Why would God not want us to have money in the counties? Why would God not want us to have in terms of youth getting the 7-year tax holiday?
Akiuga ihinda ni ikinyu andu merwo ma. Mucheru ningi ni anyururitie mubango uria Ruto akoretwo agitwarithia na mbere wa guteithia aria mari ukia-ini.
Not be lied to. You must expose these peddlers for who they are. Snake oil salesmen who will go to any extent to gain political power.
Ate gutigithiria Mucheru ningi no ugite Ruto ni akoretwo akihenia mbeu njithi na njira ya kumuhe ciiraniro itari na mithingi oro yothe.
I have been engaging with youth and every day we have conversations. They are suffering, but they are being cheated every day by people.
By your boss?
By people. And they are being cheated. And really, it's not fair. So that's why I'm actually angry. And I'm saying, kiumane, people must know the truth.
Riri tirita ria mbere kuragia no ng'ethaniri gatagati ka Ruto na ministers kuona muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku. Minista ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe, murunae wa ugiteri wa thiini ndagitari Fred Matiang'i na Keria Kotobiko wa maria maturigiceirie ni marekereirie miario ta ino ya gukirira Ruto makimumenereria kumana na kwambika kambeini handu ha kuruta wira uria thureirwo. Atongoria ma kanitha ono matinerisha matokoya-ini ma Mucheru kuria mokireire na njira nene ni kuhea moya ateti mweke wa kuhura uteti ma kanitha-ini.
I had some people promising you analog solutions as part of a new economic blueprint to bring you prosperity.
Na watongoria a makanitha aria mauma kigomano-ini giki ni moririe mbeu njithi metheme kuhuthirwo uru ni ateti na gututhura ngui mbere hindi ona thutha wa githurano kinene giukite.
Asking the youth whether they are paid or not, whether they are encouraged from an ethnic or any other ideological front, that they should resist causing violence in your village, in your ward, in your constituency or any part of the country.